Good morning. Today is a how to use the Clipper card, pretty much the BART system here in Northern California. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So I'm gonna use this. Pretty much, you go to one of these right here with that green light on. You see this clipper? You pull the card over it, boom, and then that's my balance. So that's pretty much how to use the BART system. So because with this card that I have, I pretty much, instead of me going to the machine, I'll show you guys next time that what you call it? Because of the machine from next time. Well, because of how the train runs, so now, I use my Clipper card to go through quicker. So you see how fast that was, but I was just showing you guys. So here's what it looks like every morning. Trying to keep the camera steady. So I got 7 minutes. So I got 7 minutes to wait. So that's pretty much how to use the BART system in Northern California. See you in the next one.